copies, Herc away.
All right. Turning on the WCAs.
Roll deck, that's Hercules past the transom, and that is your tether, all out.
Copy, Herc past the transom and tether all out.
Control, back deck, that's Atalanta away.
Control copies, Atalanta away. Hercules is dive, dive, dive.
This is an audio slate for dive Hotel 2099.
We were doing your job for you
UTC
this
time
morning.
is 182430.
I was occupied on the deck,
Elsewhere.
sir.
Mark.
I got grease on my fancy jeans for my efforts. I don't know, it was silly. I wanted to look nice for the 4 a.m. watch. My pink fuzzy slippers.
Too bright. Good. Our, what's happening there? Let me turn on this
Control,
side
control, all stop 50 meters. Control, be
light
descent to
so I can read. Well, that didn't help. I can't read the res. No, on the Niskin, to the left of the Niskins, can you read? Yeah, that's at the top. I think they moved it to also see the Niskins, but we're up at the top, okay. So that's fine, but why? Yeah. Okay. All right, I'm just running through my checks real quick. You're the bubble. Yeah. Okay. Wait. Oops. No. Well, I'll start going down, but I'm just doing checks first. We like to do the 50-meter ones. And we have, look at all that data that we have. Yay! All right. All set. We're good. We'll just keep an eye. I don't know what's going on with that thing, but we're fine. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Let's start going down. Winch control. You might have to slow down for a second so I can catch up. Let's see, because we're pretty far apart right now. Trying to at least get it to 10. That's the max difference we should do. Oh, oh. Nope, it was my fault. We went the wrong way. That's what just happened. Yeah. I'm like, why can't I catch up to you? Yeah. That was close. Yeah. in the zone. I'm moving that cable. This guy. There we go. All right, now slow down now. Yeah. We haven't gotten into any like big bundles of squid, which I think in November in Palau, every time we like went down and came up, it was just tons and tons, and then fish, bring in the fish and then the sharks and.
We saw some squid a few days ago, like while me and Mike were on the back deck. Yeah, they're really cute. They're like really red.
It's nuts. Gosh.
But yeah, good morning, everyone. I'm really excited to be on another dive with all of you. I did want to just do a check-in. Are we good for introductions?
Yeah, I think we should be.
Okay, awesome. I'm really excited. So could we start with the back row with our data logger, who also launched our vehicles this morning?
Sure, let's go for it. Good morning,
Yeah.
everybody.
Dropping
my name is
too
Kelsey
fast
McClellan,
down.
and I am faculty over at the Northern Marianas
Yet.
College. I am extremely excited about today's dive, as we will be collecting some transect data for students in
no
the
wonder what
Natural
I'm
Resource
missing.
Management program.
Where?
That's
inside, very cool.
Inside Pan.
Yeah.
I said the Northern Marianas College. Doesn't everybody know that that's in Saipan?
Bill's just testing us because it's so early.
Yeah, so for some of our natural resource management students over in Saipan, and then also the local community expressed a lot of interest in these fish assemblage habitats too. So it'll be exciting to see what we see.
Yeah, that's going to be really special. Thank you for sharing. And next, yes.
Hi, I'm Eva Stewart. I'm a deep sea biology PhD student from the Natural History Museum in London and the University of Southampton. And I'm here as part of the science team. And hopefully we'll see some nice invertebrates as well as all the lovely fish.
Yay! Thank you, Eva. And our resident rascal, our man of the mantle.
Bill always gets a like intro name.
I'm trying to find like a really interesting name for like for an invertebrate enthusiast.
She's working on it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's in progress.
It's like
I promise
a wrestling match, you know, when they do the like.
Yeah.
They call out the person they've got like a nickname. Yeah.
And now.
Yeah.
In this corner.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm Bill Chadwick from Oregon State University. My role on this particular watch is to try to keep Kelsey under control so she doesn't just freak out during this dive. So
Yeah, that's fair.
I'm a geologist and volcanologist. Today's dive is going to be on ancient seafloor, however, so we'll talk about that in a bit, but not going to see any active volcanoes today. Quite the opposite. Old ones.
Yeah.
Okay.
a nicely aged volcano with a lot of really interesting features. It's a pretty shallow dive today. But yeah, half a day, everyone, and good morning from the Pacific. My name is Amanda Dedicatoria. I am the lead science communication fellow for this expedition. Sitting in the communications chair, I'm a science writer from the island of Guam, or Guam, here in the Marianas. So wonderful to be with you all today. Thank you so much for joining us. And could we proceed to the front row with our wonderful video engineer?
Hello, my name's Erin Rainey. I am the video engineer on this watch, 4 a.m. watch.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Erin. You're amazing.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
I love to start my morning with Amanda telling me how good I am.
Thank you. And I believe that Erin was doing a bit of a Nautilus Live social media takeover, so...
Yeah, I just put a riveting poll about whether people like 4 a.m. tea or coffee, so make sure to cast your votes.
Yeah.
I already have. That was the first thing I did this morning.
Oh, I appreciate you.
I just have really icy water. I'm not really a caffeinated person.
Oh, I should have put a third option.
Icy water.
Yeah, and there wasn't a lot of ice in the bucket today, so I was like, oh no.
Oh no.
How can I do this? But yeah, but we're still going to do it, and it's going to be fun. So thank you. Please check out our socials on Nautilus Live on, was it Instagram?
It's Instagram, yeah.
Awesome, yeah. So please, you can interact with Erin and some of our team that way. And next, could we have our lovely Atalanta pilot?
Hey, good morning. This is Sarah Sargent. I am the Atalanta pilot this morning, and I'm a coffee drinker, but I still felt like something was off until Amanda got on.
I know.
And then it's like, oh, that's what I needed.
That's my morning
That
boost.
was it.
Now we just need to know if Ben has lukewarm coffee.
Oh, no, Ben. Oh, Ben, we miss you. You are about a faint voice in the background.
Oh, yeah, you're not an SPL.
Could you repeat that? What is the condition of your coffee? This is very important. Mission critical, actually.
This morning, it's warmer than lukewarm.
Amazing.
I figured it out.
It's lukewarmer?
I had to get up extra early this morning to make sure.
Amazing. And what is your name?
Treat yourself.
And good morning. My name is Ben Irwin, and I'm on the Herc sticks this morning.
Ah, yes, the Herc sticks. Those are really fun. Dan Cormany from the 8 to 12 watch got to show me a little bit about the Herc sticks and your setup over there.
You looked pretty comfortable in that.
It was
I
fun.
was like, watch out, Ben. Amanda's coming for you.
Really love that craft arm.
Please.
I feel like we could play a good game of rock, paper, scissors with that craft arm. That was really fun.
Just always scissors.
Always scissors. A little predictable, but it's consistent. But yes, the man who keeps us moving. Who do we have here this morning?
Hey everyone, I'm the navigator. My name is Johan Becker. I'm a contractor with OET.
Awesome. Thank you so much,
And to your
everyone.
coffee, Johan. Come on.
Oh,
Give the
I went
people what
for
they want.
front lounge coffee this morning.
Oh,
That's been my move recently. I've been
living the high life.
bumping into Bill in there.
The forward lounge coffee.
3:30
Forward
a.m.
Lounge, the magic coffee maker. Yeah.
Bill's Special Lounge.
Yes, this is very important considering the forward lounge is not very great if you're prone to seasickness, but it is excellent if you're hankering for a good, was it espresso, a freshly brewed coffee.
It's a little bouncy
So,
up
yeah,
there.
I'll slow down to
Yeah, near the
25.
bow.
Does the back row have any thoughts about tea or coffee or very icy water?
Yeah, I actually do something a little crazy. One of my soccer coaches from Hong Kong taught me tea and coffee.
Oh my God, that
Together?
Together.
Oh, that
How do you
is
do? How do you
radical.
do that?
explains so much.
I don't have that option on my poll.
Yeah.
Do you
So-
just put a tea bag in your coffee?
I do half and half.
Aaron, I think
And then
that's,
it's done really well when it's with condensed milk, obviously, but
that's
we don't
under the
have that.
category of other. in
Other.
your poll.
I have just shocked the British over here, the British delegation.
I'm not bothered about how people make their tea because
No?
I don't like it.
Oh,
So I-
that's very un-British of you.
I know. Well, I like green tea. I don't like black tea, so I never have tea with milk or any of that.
Really?
So I have
I don't
truly,
think I've ever met
yeah,
a
I don't like
Brit who
tea
didn't
or
drink tea.
coffee. Yeah.
Wow.
So I brought with me a variety of green tea that I like, and I have that.
Oh, what kind of green tea?
It's a jasmine green tea.
Oh, that sounds really pleasant.
Yes, it's very nice. From one shop that I always buy it from.
Is it like loose leaf or in
It is, but it's in nice, like, special biodegradable tea bags.
That sounds really nice. Yeah, so pleasant.
In case anyone was wondering, tea's currently ahead.
Oh, there we go.
55% tea, 45% coffee. Yeah.
Surprising.
Very interesting metrics.
I know Verena went out to buy her own kind of black tea because she likes.
Oh, she shared it.
Because her parents are British.
Because there was only Earl Grey for a bit, and Verena and I had a whole chat about how black tea's better.
She's so sweet.
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah.
What's our ETA?
ETA is 21 minutes. 21 minutes.
2-1.
Looks like we got a good handful of folks from a bunch of places in the world. We got people from the United States. We got folks from Australia, Belgium, the Czech Republic, Spain, Norway, Poland, Thailand, the Netherlands, Turkey, Brazil, Germany, the UK, and Canada. Welcome to all of you. Thank you so much for joining us here on this early morning. Local time is around 4:47 in the AM. Still pretty dark, a little windy outside. Yeah, we're descending to our next dive site, which we should be sort of surveying the seafloor in around 20 minutes. So thank you so much for being here. How's everyone doing today? And what are you up to? Let's see. We have a viewer comment. Good luck and best wishes to all of the crew from Turkey. Hope that you will accomplish your duty safely. Thank you. That's really thanks to our wonderful crew and team in the front row, our navigator Johan, who's helping to sort of navigate our vehicles and our ship in relation to our expedition goals. So he's doing a wonderful job, as well as our ROV pilots doing their thing. So it's really wonderful to make sure that it's really wonderful that our safety is very much a team effort as we kind of survey and explore the ocean. We have a viewer from American Samoa, Talofa, my friend. Thank you so much for joining us here in the Pacific. Ooh, what was that? It's like streaking.
That was
Was that a squid just inking as it?
yeah.
It's just like. Tss.
That should be a fun dive. We're doing some video transects.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what is a video transect? Like, what does that entail?
Operationally, I think, reading the dive plan now, we're going to try to maintain a constant altitude of about 2 meters off the seafloor. And we're going to do 3 200-meter transects moving at 0.2 knots between our waypoints 3-4, 6-7, and 8-9, kind of at like a deep midwater and shallow depth. And yeah, we're, I guess, just gonna try to keep like most of the vehicle parameters constant so that then it's easy for people to watch through the videos and kind of observe at like a consistent pace what we're seeing. So
do we have to have the lasers on as well? Usually I think
I'm not sure.
They try and do some, I think that's how they do this.
Yeah, I would guess
scaling.
lasers on. These are for Kelsey, so she can definitely speak to the objectives and how this will be used.
Okay.
It does say that if there is something extraordinary, we are free to deviate
Really?
from
I was
the
going to say,
transect.
is that allowed?
Thank
Because
goodness.
I would be really
That
sad.
drives me crazy when we can't do that.
Yeah.
We're doing transects.
So that it's like when they do, we basically drive in a straight line, and you see everything you can see within that straight line, and they do animal counts, and they do the scaling lasers are on, and they can do some like very rough volumetric calculations with that, and it should be as straight as it should be, like, because it's like within, they're trying to look at like do an average of, yeah, so if you keep all your sensors and your speed and things constant, there's an assumption of some regularity, I guess. But as a pilot, it can be a little interesting because, especially if it's really crazy terrain, you know, because you have to maintain a certain altitude and the constant speed, and you lose the main camera because the main camera is supposed to be also usually like zoomed in a little. So
we kind of rely on like the number
exactly, yeah, and so it depends what they're really looking at, but usually like in Bari we'd zoom in, so the lasers were like 1/3 of the screen, so then you could assume like you were looking at a square meter or something of the terrain, and then they could also back calculate what the sensor focal length is and all that. So using the camera parameters, and then there's a volumetric thing they could do with that.
So it sounds like as part of like this sort of transect, we're going to do a steady drift within a certain area. And if something kind of like piques our interest, like something that's really incredible, we can stop and closely examine it a little more. Is that?
That'd be great if we can.
Well, the goal is to do the transect continuously at the same altitude and
Unbroken.
without doing much diversion.
I
So
hope we have a lot of
we
diversions.
should be able
I think
to.
it has to be pretty spectacular for it to be
challenge.
worth a diversion.
I mean, the transects are going to be relatively short, so I think we should be able to just do them and
Yeah.
do that, and
Can
then we
always
can
go
do
back.
or we
But
can.
what if we
can do
see a
it-
Dumbo octopus?
Oh,
That,
then
that counts as
we might stop.
We
spectacular.
stop everything
Yeah,
that we're doing. Absolutely.
but we wouldn't chase them.
Oh my goodness.
Well, aw, maybe we would.
We're all feeling
Then
squirrely back here, I
We'd
think.
have a
Yeah.
debate.
Meanwhile, I'll go zooming.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, usually you're not, if you break continuity, you're supposed to go back and do it again. And
Yeah.
it's hard, and usually,
Oh.
actually you're not even supposed to do it then because
Yeah,
you've gone through the same water twice and
Yeah.
just your presence can
right.
change.
So we're going to try to avoid being like a dog chasing a squirrel
Yes,
Yeah.
we are.
during those
Oh,
transects.
this is going to be so
Yeah.
hard.
I know
Yeah.
it's going to be hard for Amanda, I think.
It's
Oh
hard for
my
me. It's hard as
goodness.
pilots because we want to look
yeah.
at things.
It's
too.
going to be hard for
The-
everybody.
Yeah.
But we
worms
can do it.
is-
We can do it.
The
Think of the
worms we
students.
chased down yesterday were fantastic. We
Yeah?
got the
Oh, yeah.
worms
Tell me
that
about
Ben
'em.
chased down.
Are
They were really cool. They were 2 different species.
They were.
Oh, awesome.
Whoa.
The eels?
The worms.
The
I
worms.
think the
that
eels
you-
were too.
The scale worms
The
you got
scale worms
yesterday.
you slurped up right at the end.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Look at you.
Are they new?
I don't know about that. Not sure. Verena had a look at them yesterday. I haven't spoken to her since then.
Cool.
That's cool.
But so with the scale worms, one quick way of classifying them is when you catch them, some species keep their scales and
Oh.
some just like lose them immediately. Like when they're stressed, they just go like, ugh, and like all their scales fall
What
off.
in the world?
And one of them was a scale loser and one was a scale keeper.
That's
so
so
that was,
neat.
That was a clue. You two are
Yes,
different.
and the one that lost all of its scales had really big red eyes
Oh.
and really cool bristles that were like, each one looked like a little like star. They were in the like star formation.
Whoa.
Yeah, it was really, really cool.
Wild.
Yeah, I've got some pictures.
And
And they were big. They were really, really big. There's one with the eyes.
oh my.
And see, it's like,
Wow. Oh my gosh. He looks demonic with those red eyes.
Oh, wow. I think that it's cute.
I don't know.
the
My eyes
people
turn
in the
red
front want to see if they turn
The-
around.
Oh,
You can see the
Ben,
red.
Ben, check it out.
Do you mind
What's happening?
swiveling?
The demonic
Oh.
scale worm.
Not the demonic
wow.
scale worm. That's
That's
just
What?
Yeah.
how they
Wow,
look.
those are
It's
red.
terrifying. Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I see? Wow. Oh, they look like little pomegranate seeds,
Yeah.
the eyes.
Do you have the other one?
It's the
So
Mothman's
The other
worm.
one, that was
Oh, totally different.
yeah.
Yeah. Oh,
That's
even I
awesome.
can tell they're different.
Whereas the
Cool.
that was the other one. So it kept all its scales.
Exciting.
Mm.
That's so cool.
And do they? How do they compare with previously sampled scale worms in the back
I
arc?
think
Have you gotten that
that's
far?
what I need to ask Verena about.
Yeah.
She was examining that yesterday.
Neat. Very
but
cool.
I don't think there have been that many collected because they can be quite hard to collect,
Yeah.
as we saw.
10 minutes.
But
People have focused on the hairy snails.
yes, exactly.
They're the star of the show in the back arc.
Yeah, and the squat lobster we got was actually really big, and it had it was a lady.
Oh.
It was
Oh.
a lady squat lobster, and it
Uh-huh.
had 2 little eggs.
Oh.
Oh,
2.
Yeah, normally they have a lot more, so we think maybe the other eggs had hatched, or it had like lost the other ones.
Wow.
Perfect.
And it looks, I need to look at it properly today, but it looks like it could be the same species as the one we had in Toto,
Yeah. It looks like we
but I need to look at it properly.
we just got a fan of the scale worms chime in. I hope the scale worms were posted somewhere. Social media posts of hashtag demonic pomegranates.
Well, I can give Jamie the pictures I took. I think the ones I got on my phone are better than the iPad ones.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That'd be neat. It's cute. I think the eyes are kind of cute. They're really close together.
Yeah, and
Yeah, they are.
it's not that common for deep sea worms to have big eyes. Those are really big.
Yeah. Wow. I like the bristles too. That's
Yeah, the
very-
bristles are really nice.
do you think the change in pressure could have done anything to make them bigger? Or no?
I don't think so. because you do get worms that do have big eyes. So it's not like completely unheard of.
Yeah.
It's
All right, so we're at 700 meters. We're aiming for
nearly
900 meters, so we're
8 minutes is what I have on my
okay. Gonna
Exciting.
be on the bottom within 10 minutes.
So
and
we
then
got,
you have to be patient because we need to do a white balance.
Of course.
So just to preempt that before
Yeah,
you guys
just
get
to
too
calm
excited.
down,
Yeah,
calm down.
yeah, it'll be a few more minutes.
It's important. That's important work actually. The camera stuff is always important to me.
let's see, we got a
There's
shout
a
out to Bill. Howdy from Nashville, Tennessee. I would like to say to Mr. Chadwick, go Beavers.
Oh, go Beavs. Yeah, Beaver fan.
Wow.
Right, thank you for that. Yes, we've got
is that the football team?
we've got several.
Oh.
Well, it's the school mascot. The
That's
okay.
Beavers,
cool.
yeah. We've
Beavers are real?
We've got
I've never.
beavers are real. What kind of a question is that?
As someone who's lived in the middle of the Pacific my entire life, and
they
sometimes
could be a myth.
yeah.
I've got one tattooed.
Could be
Oh,
imaginary.
beavers are real.
I think
That's
they've
amazing.
been reintroducing them to the UK recently.
They have,
They're
yeah.
real,
Yeah.
even in
Really?
the UK.
Yeah.
Oh, reintroducing?
I think
Oh,
they
amazing.
apparently used to be
Oh,
in the UK,
okay.
and then
They
haven't
were-
been.
They've been.
They were, yeah, I think they were
Hunted
killed for
out.
several reasons. They actually
Yeah.
used their glands for like a perfume or something.
Oh,
I'm gonna have to look that
That's
up.
why we all
Aaron.
smell so good.
Or was it vanilla? The
But
beaver.
yeah, check beaver glands.
I'm like looking up beaver vanilla.
Aaron, that is a depressing piece of information.
Oh, it's for vanilla flavoring. It was a gland.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry, not perfume, but
I don't like that.
well,
Those poor beavers.
Bill, I've got a lot to tell you about about 50% of the known species in the past history of mankind and
Yeah.
how well they're doing
Yeah.
Kelsey, it's 4 a.m.
or not.
It's a sad story.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I do want to like share that like whenever I like connect with folks from other places and we just talk about like the sort of normal occurrences, like we have like wild chickens, like feral chickens everywhere.
Yeah.
And I didn't know that that was
Hawaii does too.
I was
normal
so
in
shocked
some-
when I visited a friend in Toronto and we saw like a skunk on the street, and she
They're
was like,
real?
oh damn, there's a skunk. We're gonna have to like walk a different way. And I was like, what on earth are you talking about? And she was like, yeah, there are skunks. And I was like, what?
What
And the
did-
fact that there are raccoons. Like I thought that was a joke. I didn't think
What?
in the US, like I don't know.
Why did you think
what did
raccoons
you
were
think?
a joke?
Yeah.
Not a joke, but like I didn't realize they were like a thing that
Around?
that were actually like around,
Like you
like
see
in the
them?
cities. Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
yeah.
I thought
That's
they
where
were
they.
just
they're
like,
That's
kinda-
where they thrive.
They're kind of nocturnal, so they're
but then
you see them at night.
it's like your equivalent to we have foxes,
We've got
we have
those too.
foxes.
Wow.
but then
That's
we
not-
have so many foxes.
Oh, uh-huh.
Like they
And
live in people's
So,
gardens. And
so what was your reaction to the skunk? You wanted to go hug
I
it
wanted
or
to go
something?
see it. Yeah.
No, no, no.
No, I didn't
That's-
want to get
that-
close. I
that's-
didn't want to
that-
touch it.
No,
But
you don't want to do that.
Yeah. We have coconut
Talk about-
crabs.
Oh, that's cool.
oh,
Yeah.
they're
Yeah.
cool. They're quite scary.
Yeah, they can get to be huge.
Yeah. But they're not that fast. They're very strong,
Yeah.
but they're not that fast. Yeah.
Mm.
When I was in college one time, something kind of, I was in the bathroom and something kind of clunked on the door, and it was a coconut crab that was on top of one of the bathroom doors, like the stalls.
Oh.
And I was just like, how did you get there? It's like completely smooth.
Yeah.
And I kept it as a pet, and it stole a spatula from me. It was, I was just trying to poke it, and then it stole the spatula
Oh my god.
from me. It's very strong. Give me that.
Did it live in your house?
Yeah, in a box.
Oh.
And then it escaped, and I have no idea where it is. So
Under your bed.
It's on the loose.
yeah.
Or someone running around with a spatula.
I've only recently discovered that the robins, like the birds you have
Yeah.
in the US, are different than our robins.
Ah, yeah. Mm-hmm.
It's when they're just completely different.
You also call elk something different, don't you?
We don't have elk.
I thought it was British people called elk moose or moose elk or
But I
something.
thought moose and elk are different things.
They are
They
different
are,
things,
yeah.
but there's like, I thought it was England that they called one the other or something. I don't remember what it was.
I don't think so.
I'm going to look it up.
All right, let's go. Keep our eye out for
But
the
our
bottom.
British robins are much cuter,
Yeah?
I will say.
How so?
They're really
Small?
small.
Ours are big, yeah.
Yeah.
Shout out to my mom who's watching from Akron, Ohio. Hi, Mom.
Oh, so it's Europe.
Hi, Kelsey's
Elk
mom.
refers to
Yeah.
moose.
Pardon?
It's in Europe that elk refers to moose.
Oh,
Oh,
okay.
interesting.
I didn't know that.
What?
Mm-hmm.
Well, obviously this is a fruitful topic for blue water conversation.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. Oh, we also still need to brainstorm what we are going to call.
We started
Hold
those
on.
conversations.
Oh,
yeah.
Oh, okay, you have?
Good.
Yeah.
Kelsey,
Okay.
do you have any updates
All right.
on the coordination of our professional pizza party?
No, I messaged Pizza Kaya and I'm waiting a response, but I can call them too. So, okay, sick. I'm getting a
Awesome.
thumbs up from
Can you
Bill.
call
Yeah.
them from out here?
Yeah, I can use my
Wow.
Wi-Fi calling.
Oh, right,
Yeah.
of course.
We started to talk to Derek about vans and transportation. And yeah. So
Kelsey is currently cheering.
Dancing.
Yeah, the wheels are turning.
I've just had a message from someone listening from back home saying that the robin in Mary Poppins is wrong because they have an American robin
Ah,
Oh.
in the
no
in
doubt.
the film, and it's
Yes.
set in London.
It's sort of sad and mechanical looking,
Yeah.
as I recall. But
But
American
it's just completely wrong species.
Yeah. All right. Good eye. You mean Mary Poppins wasn't factually accurate?
Yeah.
This is the first I'm hearing of it.
75
And
meters.
Dick Van Dyke's British accent
Yeah.
isn't real? Shocking. All right, we're
Oh,
back.
from out here.
Yeah, I can use my
Wow.
Wi-Fi calling.
Oh, right,
Yeah.
of course.
We started to talk to Derek about vans and transportation. And yeah. So
Kelsey is currently cheering.
Dancing.
The wheels are turning.
I've just had a message from someone listening from back home saying that the robin in Mary Poppins is wrong because they have an American robin
Ah,
Oh.
in the
no
in the
doubt.
film, and it's
Yes.
set in London.
It's sort of sad and mechanical looking,
Yeah.
as I recall. But
But
American
it's just completely wrong species.
Yeah. All right. Good eye. You mean Mary Poppins wasn't factually accurate?
Yeah.
This is the first I'm hearing of it.
75
And
meters.
Dick Van Dyke's British accent
Yeah.
isn't real? Shocking. All right, we're past 900 meters.
We have 70 meters to bottom roundabouts.
Altitude 70 meters. I guess we're gonna end up closer to 1,000 meters depth.
Switch into DVL. That's just weird. Yeah, did you guys extend the tether that much?
Tino.
That's we're sitting pretty far behind the ship.
So, maybe I'll talk a little bit about today's dive.
That'd be great.
So this dive's going to be different than all the others so far because we're in a different part of the Mariana region. We are west of the trench, west of the volcanic arc, where the active volcanoes are, west of the Mariana back arc, where the deep volcanic activity and hydrothermal vent activity happens, where we were on the last dive. We're west of that over on a shallow ridge called the Western Mariana Ridge, and we also refer to it as the remnant arc because It's an ancient part of the volcanic arc that was split apart when the back arc started spreading. So and I think the back arc spreading has been going on for about 10 million years. So this is like a 10 million year old part of what used to be the volcanic arc. So it's it's a big ridge. It's got a kind of a series of seamounts along it that used to be active volcanoes but are very old now.
Okay, bottom in sight.
All right, bottom in sight.
Woo.
So we'll be kind of getting situated on the bottom here for a bit before we start moving. Yeah, so very old seafloor, and
oh shoot!
but and today's dive is going to be relatively shallow. And it's so we're starting at 1,000 meters, but we're gonna go upslope throughout the dive, probably ending at around 100 meters, so very shallow. So going from the dark depths up to the photic zone where we'll see ambient light up there. And
already looks like there's some stuff on those rocks.
part of the focus here will be kind of characterizing the biological communities with depth and how they change, and sort of bottom fish habitat. And what's cool about today's dive is there was a hole in the previous mapping that we partially filled, and no one has ever dived here before, so we really don't know what we're going to see, but it's
good catch, Ben.
We'll all have high anticipation that it's going to be cool. Should see lots of fish, especially in the shallower parts. Right, and throughout the dive, we're going to do several video transects to kind of quantify or characterize better the communities at different depths. So that'll be part of the plan today. Yeah, so in general, really different than everywhere else we're going to go, except maybe tomorrow's dive will be a different place on the Western Mariana Ridge. So we'll have 2 of these dives on this old, shallow seafloor with very stable environments, mature biological communities. Should be interesting to see. No active volcanoes, though. I'm a little bit sad, but I think I can endure it.
Okay, thank
for
you.
a day or 2.
Thank you for your sacrifices.
Yeah, I'm trying to be a team player here.
Yeah. I really appreciate it.
A little bit of a sacrifice. But I think I can get through it. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
With a little support from Amanda, she's my rock.
Yes.
Yeah. Always encouraging all of us.
Well, we're already seeing a lot of...
You can do it, Bill. You can do it.
What is this? Is that a sponge?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah. Looks like we're just letting the front row just get situated as they
already
prepare to survey.
It's a little guys.
So our white balance, we have a little housekeeping to do.
Yeah, looks like you might swing back to the ship some.
So many.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Wow.
Got some coral already.
And it's bare lava,
Don't
too.
get distracted.
Doesn't look 10 million years old. Yeah, somehow I thought it would be sedimented or something. But we have to...
That was
a sponge we just...
Yeah.
We have to let the pilots get situated.
Erin, do you want to do the white balance here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do we want to get a little closer to the bottom? Are we?
Sure.
How close are we?
I'm 13 meters off underneath me.
Cool. Yeah. Yeah. Can you make sure ROV porch lights are on when we do this?
You want the down lights on?
The porch lights on. Yeah.
Like these ones? Okay.
Yeah.
You got it.
And then I need the arm.
Right. So I'm gonna go into auto XY here.
Cool.
To hold position. I got 4 beams. It's good. Okay. How do you usually like it? Do you want the arm out in front of the camera in
Yeah, and
sort of
then
the regular lighting?
yeah. So then I need to zoom in on it fully.
Yeah, you got it. Okay.
Akron, Ohio.
Okay, I'm gonna zoom.
Do you mean to center it better?
Nope, this should be good.
Okay.
Just give me, it's just gonna take a minute.
No worries.
All right, so the camera's gonna go black for a second. All right, and then I need to do one more.
Do you do black balance too?
Yeah, black balance. So that was black balance.
Gotcha.
1 second, do white. Okay, and then this. All right, we're good, thank you.
Yeah.
I'll zoom back out.
So what do you guys want to do first? You want to take a look around, see who's here?
Before we start, it would be worth zooming in on all of these little corals just so we can
before we start moving.
see what they actually are.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Sure.
Yeah, I think we can give ourselves a little bit of time to
The
settle in
WCA
before.
cameras, you mean? Or let's see. Well, maybe Bill, how do you? Which would you prefer?
Up on that screen?
Yeah. Would you rather this one, or do you want a better? Or do you want Atalanta?
Atalanta, I think. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine. I'm okay with it.
Yeah,
coming down.
Yeah. So we just want to do some zooming in
we
to
could
see
maybe
who,
have a look, like.
Yeah.
I
See,
bet.
This rock.
Coming down.
See what's
Thank
on
you.
who's living here down at 980 meters.
And again, this site is interesting because nobody has dove here yet either. So not only is it
never before seen.
We are the first ones to ever see this.
All right, I'm gonna kill the downlights, Aaron.
Nice.
Yeah, that's fine. Thank you.
So Aaron, could you just talk a little bit about like the importance of like white balancing?
Yeah, so you're balancing the color to that white that's on the arm, and so it should be true to that white color. I don't know, I'm not the best at explaining this. So it's like a process of adjusting the colors for the image. And as long as the lighting stays somewhat consistent, then that will stay consistent. And then when the editors get it, they can edit it to that, and it should then be true to the color that's down there.
Can we have a look?
Oh, awesome. Thank you so much for that.
Yeah, so it's a color temperature thing.
They look interesting, don't they?
They might, I think they're brittle stars.
Oh,
You can you
the
can
pink
zoom,
things.
Aaron, if you want.
Yep.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at this.
There's
There's
purple.
purple there,
thing
yeah.
over there and yellow.
Oh, wow. Look at
Wow.
those.
It's a lot of brittle stars.
So many of them.
Yeah.
On a sponge, huh?
Yeah.
Wow.
sponge is wild looking too.
Yeah.
So,
That's amazing.
Yeah.
I was thinking the same thing.
so are these associates? Like, what do the brittle stars do when they're like hanging out like this?
I can't remember what they're called, but I do recognize these ones with the really, if you can see, they've got really spiky arms.
Yeah.
Oh, and there's a lobster there as well,
Oh yeah.
hiding among the brittle stars.
Yeah. Here's the lobster.
Yeah.
Oh,
So you get the ones that live on corals that sort of feed, because the corals filter feed, they're like bringing bits of organic matter out of the water column, and then the brittle stars sort of clean up the corals. They eat the like other stuff that sticks to them, and it's the same goes for sponges, because they're bringing in organic matter. They like accumulate it, so it makes it a good sort of food source for them, but also allows them to get a bit further up into the water column, so they get more current
Or flow.
going past them. There's a
there's
gastropod
little,
there too.
Yeah. Look at him.
well, what
A
is
little
that? On
snail.
top?
Snail.
Yeah.
A snail. Wow, this is amazing.
This
Is that
is
a
a-
squat lobster
Yeah, there's a
over there?
squat lobster there.
Let's look at this purple
Yeah.
guy.
Yeah.
See that over there?
There was like a little patch of purple on the left.
Yeah, coming around.
Ooh. Cool.
Now that one's got different brittle
What
stars.
is
huh?
that? Is
Yeah.
that a coral?
It's coral.
The ones
Yeah.
on the sponges also, by getting higher in the water column, because of their spiky arms, they're using that to catch stuff. And so they're just using the sponge to get higher up. Yeah, the
Wow.
purple coral's amazing.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, I've never seen a coral that color. It's so vivid.
Mhm.
Does look a bit unhealthy on the bottom.
On the
Yeah.
bottom, yeah.
Something eating it? Or
Not sure. Actually, and these.
Might be a sponge. Might be,
Oh, it might be a sponge next to it, or.
it's interesting. I wonder if the coral grows on the sponge husk or something.
Yeah, maybe.
Oh, I see. Like they're two
These-
different things.
These bits
I'll try and get around and see better.
Yeah.
are bryozoans.
Oh, yeah.
Those, like here,
Spiky things.
it's sort of like flat plane of
Yeah.
like branching patterns. So those
Uh-huh.
are little colonial organisms, similar to a coral in that it's lots of individuals living together. And they similarly, they have a lophophore, which is like tentacles that come out and filter feed from the water column, which is why they're all growing on the sponges and stuff to get
Sorry, I
higher
moved the
up.
camera out. I was wondering why it was so bouncy. Hitting it with my lateral thruster.
We're never going to get these
I know.
transects done.
That's okay. This is interesting. And because this seafloor is so old, all of these communities have had time to settle.
establish
Yeah.
themselves, and which are why there's so many corals on these rocks.
Right.
And then similar
Maybe a
to
little delta,
terrestrial
maybe?
communities, there's also stages of succession as well in benthic communities.
Yes, yeah. And you
Can you give me a little
tend
delta?
to see that after
Just
like
a little?
disturbance events, like
I think there's a current
like
down
these
here,
slides
which
that
is probably
come
why
down
there's
from the
coral.
volcanoes and that sort of thing. You tend to see certain animals come back quicker. Usually some of the first establishes are xenophyophores, which
Copy
are
that. Thanks for
big
letting me know.
single-celled animals. They're foraminifera, but they can be like, the size of, I don't know what kind of ball, a large orange.
Yeah.
But they're just one
we
single
lost
cell, and they
We lost jet pump.
we
Yep.
tend to see them come back quite quickly.
I don't
And
know
you often
yet.
see brittle stars
Probably
around them as well
southwest
because
or
they
southeast,
accumulate organic
That
matter.
would be my guess.
Yeah.
With the current, huh?
So Johan, say that again.
We're
Lost-
resetting the jet pump
Okay, Aaron, you
on
want
the
to come
ship right now, so we
Might-
are going to drift for a little bit.
Lost DP.
Yes,
Okay.
correct. It looks like southwest, yeah.
Is there another lobster or something
Southeast,
there?
sorry.
So
I always do that too.
it looks
I
like
keep
there's
thinking it's
lots
west.
of different kinds of
Especially at
coral
this
I
time of
think
morning.
sponges. Or
so. I think there's this type of coral seems to be quite common. There's
Right.
a lot
Oh,
of
look at
these
this.
ones,
Right.
but oh yeah, look at that. But the brittle cells seem to really like those sponges.
Oh,
so
Oh,
that's
wow.
Sponges are
obviously a
That's
different-
a different
It's a big
sponge,
one.
yeah. And that's a different coral.
Okay, yeah.
Yep.
But this one is similar to the first one we looked
Yeah,
at.
I
Huh?
think
It's kind of
so.
a flat sponge.
There's a big one just up here.
Oh,
Looks like
yeah,
it's
look
about
at
a
that.
meter across. So
Yeah, let's go have a look.
hopefully, oh, the ship's coming at us. That's not a bad thing.
Yeah. We have
Wow.
a minute.
Oh my gosh. We're looking at the Atalanta camera, which is looking down on Hercules, and we see these giant sponges up ahead in that view that will be coming up. Here's one of them.
Oh, wow.
What kind of sponges are these? Are these glass sponges?
Yes.
Wow, that's
they're glass
cool.
sponges.
This is the smaller of the two.
Yeah.
Yeah. And so how are
Oh.
glass sponges formed?
So they're made of silica that they take from the water column, and they've got this sort of really intricate skeleton made of what they're called spicules, and that's one of the things you use to determine different species of sponges. Could we get a zoom in on this one?
Sure.
In the middle, it's
Whenever you're ready,
so
Aaron.
beautiful.
Mm-hmm. Nobody living in there, huh?
No, that's
that
what
we
I
can
was
see
wanted to see, if there was anyone
Wow.
in there.
Wow.
Oh, it's so nice.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That looks very healthy, doesn't it?
It's beautiful.
Yeah, it looks really good.
I'm surprised there's not like a little
Yeah, you
crab
normally
or
did just
shrimp
see
or somebody in there.
someone in there.
Mm-hmm.
Can I zoom on the Cinecam?
On which?
On the cinema cam?
Sure.
I'm gonna have to see if I get this right now.
Oh, this is a beautiful close-up.
Let's
Yeah,
focus.
wow.
Huh?
It didn't seem to change the zoom at all, but that's fine.
Erin, how
Oh, well,
difficult
that was
is it to focus on a subject like this?
I mean, this one's not as bad as like some of the coral that even if you're in focus, doesn't seem like it's in focus. The one thing you're working with is that the ROV is moving in and out quite a bit. So if you're on like a shallow depth of field, you're constantly adjusting for that movement. This isn't too bad though.
Interesting. Lovely close-up. Thank you so much for it.
Yeah, thank you for asking.
Yeah, of course. The textures are so interesting.
Mm-hmm, yeah.
And this could be really, really old as well.
Uh-huh.
Looks like
Do you have like an
Atalanta's
estimate?
moved
Very,
back some.
no,
I'm
not
gonna
really.
zoom
I
out.
think it's very hard
Yeah,
to
Erin.
tell because there aren't really like ways of monitoring them long term to see the growth. But I think what people do think is that they do grow
I think the ship
really,
is
really slowly.
holding
Yeah.
now. Again.
Wow, look at this one behind it.
Yeah. We're
Beautiful.
gonna look at it here. I'll come around.
I would say, Amanda, what's harder is the exposure on these
Because they're white.
the white
What, sir?
reflects. So you don't want to blow out the highlights.
Is that a different sponge?
But you don't want it to be too
lower,
dark.
Yeah,
lower
I
on the
think-
rock.
But the brittle cells seem to really like this one,
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
flat one.
So cool.
So just looking at the rock for a
Wow,
second,
this is huge.
you can see this rock has like vertical layering.
and this
I was
one-
going to ask you about that.
So it
This one
is
does have
obviously a piece that's
little
fallen
friends
down the
living on
slope.
it.
That
Yeah. If
from up
it gets
above.
bouncy, then let's do that.
So it used to be horizontal layering, so it tumbled down the slope
We've got
long
a couple
ago.
of lobsters,
Okay,
one
Erin.
on the sponge,
Oh,
one
yeah.
here.
If you want to.
There's
So
a
this-
purple coral in the background.
So this
and
is
one
a
there as well.
different kind of sponge than the previous one?
Yeah,
Yeah. There's a little,
yeah, they're sort of like mesh-like structure.
Is
Looks
that
It's like a
British.
loofah.
Oh, it is like a loofah.
Or a
Is it shrimp
squat
or a
lobster.
squat lobster?
Yeah.
I wonder if
Can
you
see its
poke this,
legs,
it
Yeah.
would be crunchy.
Yeah, they're quite solid.
All right,
They
yeah, let's
look
come out of
squishy, but they're
auto
not.
head.
They're really
That silica
Yeah.
skeleton is not flexible.
no.
It's hard.
Oh, and there's some barnacles.
Yeah,
There
yeah.
are some barnacles, yeah.
Right there.
Neat.
Little
Are those
barnacles
those
there.
stalked barnacles?
Yeah,
Yeah.
stalked barnacles.
There's another purple one over there.
Happy for me to zoom out?
Yeah.
Cool.
This would be a cool one to do photogrammetry on.
I was
Yeah.
just
Oh,
thinking
yeah.
that.
I could do a quick turn on it, and that's an easy one. This is an easy
Yeah?
one. Yeah.
What's photogrammetry?
Yeah, it might be tricky.
Okay.
He can,
So just zoom out all the way, Aaron, and I'll do
he
quick.
can make it into
That's
a
it.
3D scene if we go all around it. And
Oh,
there's-
neat.
There's software that can generate that into a 3D.
Yeah, if you keep things a little on the darker side, it'll be.
Yeah, is that fine? Are you happy with that?
that's good.
Our highlights are good there.
Hold on. Dang it. It must be just the current that's dragging you back, Sarah. It's
Yeah.
Jeez. Oh.
Yeah. Based on where we were before, Atalanta wants to move another 20 meters to the southwest, east.
Can I see the file path for this?
It might be tricky to
Yeah.
do this maneuver.
It's in the server.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're struggling against current?
Yeah, Atalanta's being swept away from the ship, and the ship's a little, they're still trying to deal with their
Right.
DP issue, so it's a little, but we're still getting good enough coverage. I can probably do something here.
So, yeah, all these rocks are probably covered with that iron manganese coating. That's why they're. That's why they look so dark. I think at the beginning I was thinking, oh, these don't look as old as I thought, but I forgot about it. They're probably
we've got a
covered
nice view of
with-
the stalk of that
yeah.
sponge.
Oh, yeah.
That's cool.
That's really cool.
Oh yeah.
Looks like a cloud on a stick,
Yeah.
is my observation.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Here's like a
Yeah, it's like a trumpet sponge.
Yeah, trumpet.
A trumpet sponge?
I have just made that up. I don't
Yeah,
think that's
it's
an
not-
actual
that's
name.
Unofficial.
Have they gotten their if we could pull Atalanta ahead, like
Yeah, they're
It's more
not
of the
totally
purple coral
set up
to
yet.
the left as well.
We're still moving 0.2 knots.
So
Oh.
would that be a soft coral, the purple one?
No, it looked pretty firm.
Okay.
It looked pretty hard. Oh no.
Oh dear.
Wow.
I think
Jeez,
that's
look
what
at
we
that
have
thing.
open. We
Aaron, we need your help.
Yeah.
The
We've
telestrator
lost the
disappeared on us.
telestrator.
Yeah, give me a second.
Thank you. It's funny how most things are that sort of creamy white color, and then there's that bright purple.
Mm-hmm. God, that big sponge looks so huge.
Oh my
Excellent,
goodness.
thank you.
The purple one looks a bit like a bubblegum
Do you want me to move forward?
Oh, there's
Uh,
one,
ba-
kind
one
of
on the
shape.
top, too.
Yeah.
Can they back down or no? I was
Sorry.
going to say,
Oh,
because
that's so
then,
nice.
If they move.
oh, I'm
this
sorry,
way.
forward, you're right. I'm
Yeah.
sorry. Good Lord.
That's
Yeah, all good.
beautiful.
My brain's in a different mode.
Bridge nav. Can we move 30 at bearing 300, please? Thanks.
Did we get our DP back?
Yes.
We did.
Nice.
Awesome.
Yep.
Oh, that's
Yay.
good. Yay.
Yay.
Yeah.
Menu in the upper, I don't see
There's
menu.
there isn't. It's like the home screen of a computer. There isn't one. Which one of our keyboards?
Yours.
I have no idea, actually. Okay, mine didn't do anything, so maybe it's yours.
Is it this? Neither of us had any effect.
Sorry, thank you.
We just have a command prompt window.
It's not letting me get around the back. We got the ship on the move. Might be just a couple of minutes if you bear with me. Otherwise, we can move on if you're. I got some pretty good coverage. I can at least get the face of this really well.
No, we don't.
No, there's
It says
just the icons on the home screen.
Ben, I think you can do it because they're trying to figure out the telestrator.
Super. All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry.
So
That's great.
take your time.
Oh wait, I can't. Okay, I can. I've
All right.
found the
Can you iris
windows in
down
the
a little,
bottom
Aaron?
left corner.
Nice.
What do we do from there?
that's
Yeah.
this.
Ooh, there's-
Update and restart, that's the only choice. There
ooh,
is
there
no
is-
just
there's
restart.
either-
It wants to update. Okay, obnoxious.
Oh wait.
Oh, we just got it back.
Okay, that was.
What did
I
you
think that
push?
was us being silly.
What did you push?
I think just the tab was closed
Let's give it
for
another
some reason.
20 meters.
That's embarrassing.
Huh?
Yeah, we're still moving 20 more.
Oh, he's still moving?
Yeah.
I
Okay.
don't know why it closed though.
I thought it was
Yeah.
held up.
Well, there was that
There was the other
some
pop-up
weird
anyway.
pop-up.
Nothing
yeah.
happened. It wasn't our fault.
Okay, never mind.
Oh, come on.
So close.
If it's too much of a struggle, I think we could start moving up slope.
Yeah, I feel
Ben.
like we're going to see some very nice stuff.
I mean, this is just the start.
Yeah.
That's true.
Should we do that?
Well, I got a good, I got some good coverage, so.
Okay.
at least of the sponges in the front.
Good.
We'll just make up the back.
That's true. We kind of could. Yeah. So let me
So
do
with our
quick little thing.
transects, we're starting down deep and going up,
I think
Yeah.
yeah.
and then
But we have to choose where we want to do them.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's the question. So I think if we move up a little bit, there's 2 starting points. We can either have a starting point at the ridge north or waypoint 5, or we could start at waypoint 6-7.
okay. So if we're not going to come back down deep again,
We could do a transect down here too.
oh, okay.
Yeah.
I mean, there's so much stuff. It might be worth.
I think it would be
Doing one.
interesting.
Okay.
Yeah.
We're falling back again.
I was also thinking if people wanted
Okay.
coral, we might not see the same ones further up
Right.
as we're seeing here.
Okay. Do you have anything you're
No, I'm
thinking of?
not sure. I'm
Bridge
not
nav.
used to sampling corals.
I haven't seen any
What?
of the species
No,
of
so-
interest.
Okay.
Yeah, not intentionally.
Yeah.
Are most of these, well, there's,
There's
which-
a mixture of
yeah.
types here, but I'm really
The jet
not
pump stalled
very
again.
good at coral ID.
Okay.
And we lost DP again, it looks
Oh,
like.
dear.
No.
Oh well, we've got a nice view.
Yeah.
Oh,
So again, for
So-
those listening, dynamic DP stands for dynamic positioning. And so that is how the ship stays on course in the face of the current and the wind. So you've got 2 factors there. And then that's attached to Atalanta, or Atalanta's attached to that. And then Herc is attached to Atalanta. So it's, when we lose DP, we lose all of our kind of,
We have less control over
Stability.
keeping where
Yeah.
we want to be
Yep.
with the ship. And then, we're
Yeah.
on a leash from the ship, so
Yep.
then that affects us on the bottom. Potentially, but we'll see.
Okay, so based on Eva's suggestion, which I think is fantastic, once we
Thank
get,
you.
you're welcome. Once we get DP back on, maybe we'll start slowly making our way up slope. We'll sample a couple of deep corals. Then we will do 4 transects, if that's okay, and we'll do one
Yep.
one deeper transect.
Yeah.
So maybe we'll start that transect around waypoint, either the ridge north waypoint or the waypoint 5, or we could actually start
Yeah, I think any time.
2 or 3.
Yeah.
Yeah. You
Yeah.
think 3, Johan? I see you
Uh,
circling 3.
That's what the dive plan says is all I know.
Great.
I have no
Yeah.
Yeah.
significant
And
suggestion.
by that point, hopefully we'll be in a, we want the ship to be like making way at a stable speed too,
Yep.
so we kind of
Right.
build up to that. and
Yeah.
so that'll give us some time to get everything sort of in order, and because we want to, during the transect, we want to be moving at a constant speed and a constant altitude, so kind of have to get set up for that.
Perfect. So between now and waypoint 3, we will keep an eye out for corals to be sampled and anything else of interest. Okay, awesome. And then
Sounds like a plan.
Herc and Atalanta team, we are planning on starting the transect at waypoint 3. We're going to, we've shifted the plan to do 4 transects to be able to capture this really cool, deep, benthic community. If that's okay with you guys, thank you all so much. I appreciate you.
So sweet.
Go for nav.
That kind of had a Amanda vibe to it.
Well,
Yeah.
yeah, we're adding an extra transect, and this is additional work on the Herc and
Oh.
Atalanta and Nav team, and so I just appreciate everybody being willing to collect these extra data.
Yeah.
Aw.
I
An
do.
Amanda vibe.
I've got a little Amanda in me, but you know, I gotta, yeah.
It rubs off.
Yeah, yeah.
It's all right.
No, I think it's definitely worth getting a transect.
Yeah.
This is really interesting.
And,
Yeah.
and likely it'll be different from what we see later.
Yeah.
Yeah.
so, yeah. Brilliant plan.
Yay, team. I like how it came together after we were all a little bit more caffeinated.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That helped too.
Yeah. Although I am down, I could use some more.
Oh no. Would you like
Well, you
some
could go get some now while we're waiting
some
for
mangoes from the Philippines that are also from Guam for some reason?
They're branded
Yes,
as
please.
Guam. Guam, USA. Product of the Philippines.
Thank you.
I am going to go run and get coffee. Does anybody else need more?
I think I'm at my limit.
Okay.
Of course.
Oh, I need one.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're really good mango. Thank you to both Guam and the Philippines. I think this might be my favorite seafloor so far.
Oh, yeah?
Why do you say that?
It's
There's a
just,
lot of stuff going
yeah,
on.
there's so much. They're so
It
beautiful.
is, yeah.
And it's nice seeing such a old and well-established deep sea community.
Mm-hmm. Time has its advantages.
Yes.
Do you have any comments on the geology of this place?
No.
Thank you.
She wasn't asking you. Yeah, I was started to say earlier, when we first got down here, it was like everything was so dark. I had the false impression like, oh, this kind of looks young. But then I remembered that this really old seafloor has this iron manganese coating that forms on it, and that's why it looks so dark. So it's not because it's young, it's because it's old. And the rocks we've been seeing so far seem to be layered or have some layering. So and a lot of these are blocks that have fallen down the slope. We're kind of at the base of a steep slope. So yeah, and we're floating a bit off the bottom because the ship is struggling to get its
This
dynamic
is as
positioning
wide
back.
open as I can go on my iris. Yeah,
And,
that's what I figured, but I just wanted to.
Yeah, the vehicles have had to come off the bottom a little bit while we get things back sorted.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we're being sort of pulled back a little bit. It's nice that you can look at those. They look pretty nice.
A little bit blurry.
Yeah.
We're moving, but... There, I think these are carnivorous sponges here.
So, Bill,
Yeah.
when you look at satellite imagery of this area, or from like Google Maps, you know, and they have that rough interpolation of what they think the seafloor will look like.
Yeah.
It almost looks like you've taken a piece of cloth and you've pushed it up against something and you have these really nice folds. Would you care to explain what why that is?
Yeah. It's hard to talk about it without
I know.
looking at it at the same time, but I think I know what you mean. So the back arc, yeah, it looks like it has sort of a ridge and valley texture that's oriented north-south. Is that what you're talking about?
That is exactly what I'm talking about.
Right. So yeah, if you look at Google Earth and you turn on the terrain, or what's it called, terrain or topography or something,
Yeah.
so it's so you can actually see what the seafloor looks like instead of just a blue blah. Yeah, that's sort of coarse bathymetry and at a global scale. And yeah, so in the back arc, it's got this north-south ridge and trough look to it, and that is caused by the extension of the back arc. So the whole back arc is spreading, right? So it's those ridge and troughs are mostly faulting. So those are as you pull apart the Earth's crust, if there's not enough magma to be accommodating the spreading, which is the case in the back arc, because it's the magma supply is relatively low, so most of the spreading is accommodated by faulting. So you're pulling the crust apart, and so periodically it breaks and faults slip to accommodate that extension, and so right, so that faulting creates ridges and valleys, and so that's why it all looks like that.
Yeah. Kind of it's almost like an accordion.
Yeah. That's a good analogy. Yeah.
And to me, for the longest time, I actually thought it was, instead of pulling, I thought it was because of the force of the subduction from the Philippine plate.
Right.
Yeah.
It's in the back arc, it's the opposite. Yeah.
It's the stretching and spreading.
Yeah. And if you really want to blow your mind, then you can look west of the Mariana, west of the western Mariana Ridge where we are, into the Philippine Sea, and there's also patterns from older spreading and back arcs that are no longer active over there.
Oh,
but
cool.
you can see the textures in the Google Earth. I was looking at that the other day. So that's even older history of plate tectonic action. That's all over and done with.
Yeah. I wish that we would be able to show the audience like these maps. Yeah, as we're talking about it. Yeah.
Which computer are they on?
Her laptop. So you're out of luck.
Oh, well.
That's not happening.
Yeah. I could pull up the graphic. Aaron's like, I can make your dreams come true.
Not anymore.
I love that.
Oh. Not anymore?
No.
Okay.
I'd need it on a certain computer.
Well,
Perfect.
She's trying to bring it up on the data logger computer, is that?
Yeah, I brought up an image, but not the image. But Aaron's needed on a different computer.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, I can set that computer up, but it would take me a second.
It's okay.
Okay.
No sweat. Everybody use your imagination.
Looks like we just got a question from Patrick from a STEM group in London. Patrick is 6 years old.
I think I know who Patrick is.
Another beloved member of our intrepid invertebrate explorers. Eva's community.
Team Eva.
Yes, Team Eva. Have you seen many fish on the seamount? Which ones? So Patrick, we haven't seen any fish so far, but we've seen squat lobsters.
So far today.
So far today.
Yeah.
We just started our dive. We're just dealing with some current issues. So.
But yes, I think we probably will end up seeing quite a few fish as we get a bit shallower.
Yeah, that'll be in a few hours.
In a few hours, which might be past your bedtime.
Oh no!
Oh, Patrick.
It's getting pretty late in London now.
Oh no!
But
maybe you can.
I'm sure you'll be able to see them again.
Yeah.
But yes, we saw some very nice fish on the seamount last time.
Maybe you can make a deal with your parents that Eva told me I need to stay up later
just a little bit
to see some fish. That could start a negotiation.
Some nice. I think I liked the lionfish last time and the eels.
Oh yeah, they're beautiful. So yes.
So yes, probably we will see some fish, but
just a little later.
I did see one fish when we first got on the bottom.
Did you?
What kind?
So it was quite small. It went past pretty quick.
Yay! Thank you, Patrick.
There's fewer fish in the deep sea and more fish in the shallow ocean because there's more food up there. That's why. I love having 6-year-old viewers.
Yeah.
That's wonderful.
Go Patrick.
Anyway, I just wanted to extend this to our viewers. Half a day and good morning. Thank you so much for joining us here as we dive on this unnamed seamount. We're just dealing with a few powerful motions from the amazing and amazing force that is the Pacific Ocean. So we're just trying to get things situated here right now. I think this really speaks to the sort of expertise that is involved in operations like this one. We're dealing with a lot of conditions that are out of control, but we're trying our best to, do our best over here.
It's it's about the system, some of the systems on the ship that we're trying to sort out so that we can go where we want to go. But
yeah, and we can definitely feel the power of the ocean. We are we're in motion on this control van.
Yeah,
quite a bit swell this morning.
When I went out for my coffee, there was a little squall coming through.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh, that's probably part of what's going on, huh? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, looks like we're back near the bottom.
So I think this is a comment in reference to, it's great that we have 6-year-olds here also joining this exploration with us. Someone said, I'm 53, is that okay? Best. A viewer from the Netherlands.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
okay.
All ages.
We like 53-year-olds too.
Look at that.
Yeah.
That rock.
Yeah.
Oh, Eva's excited
it's
about
stripy.
some geology.
Yeah, this
stripy,
is some fantastic striation.
Yeah.
Is that the correct term?
I would call this
stripy.
I would call it layering.
Okay.
Because these are, Now these are horizontal, so they're probably in place rather than that first rock we were looking at. The stripiness was vertical.
Is that a fault?
Maybe a little bit, but nothing major. Just a crack or something. Yeah. So these were.
Wow, look at these sandwich
These are
layers.
layers of ash that turned into rock. Since this is also all volcanic, but just very old. Yeah, and so, lava normally doesn't have those that horizontal layering, so it's probably ash layers.
Interesting. And then just ash layer over ash layer over ash layer. Now, were these ash layers formed, can you say if these ash layers were formed when this was above sea level and then it fell down?
I think it's probably submarine or,
Yeah.
because this kind of seamount we're going to be going up, it's got those wave cut platforms near the top, so that's where it was at sea level, and the waves eroded it flat. So
I'm not feeling
we're
much
on the
current,
lower
actually.
slopes
That's
that
what's
were
so...
probably always underwater.
Okay, cool.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And it's kind of almost a vertical slope here, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Looks like we got Todd with our web team checking in just to make sure that everything is okay website-wise. Just wanted to give you a shout out, Todd. Thank you so much for checking in and for making sure that everything is fine.
Actually, hey Todd, I have a question. A bunch of my colleagues from the Northern Marianas College have been trying to log in and they keep getting an administrator issue. Is that on our firewall or OET's? Todd.
Okay.
These are really
That was
cool.
quite demanding of Todd.
Yeah.
Todd, you're amazing. Thank
Todd,
you
we
so
like
much
you.
Yeah,
for helping out.
yeah. Quick question. Don't mind us.
This is really, really cool.
What are you looking at?
Just, I like the style of these rocks and all the things growing off them.
Eva.
I think there's a crinoid or a brasingid
little geo
down
love
there.
being
Yeah,
spent here.
finally some interesting rocks. There's
Is there?
definitely a crinoid or a brasingid starfish there, I think. Oh, yeah, here we go. They're brasingids.
Not starfish.
They're a type of starfish.
Are they?
Yeah.
Oh.
So I don't know what the ROV is up to at the moment. If
Wow.
we could get a zoom on those, it'd be great. If
all these layers.
we can hold the position, but if not, that's fine.
This is very cool. These are very cool rocks.
Love a good rock.
Yeah.
Patrick, who is our 6-year-old viewer, says, thank you. And yes, it is past bedtime.
No, Patrick.
His sister Rosalind, who is 9 years old, would like to know what a squat lobster is and what do they eat in the deep sea.
Just
no,
we look
that's
at
not one,
these are really nice. Brasingida is the group of the
You want me to
starfish,
zoom
and
out a
they
bit?
tend to be there. I think they're exclusively deep sea,
Yeah.
and they almost look like brittle stars or crinoids. 'Cause they've got that small body and long thin arms.
Try
Rosalind.
again.
Rosalind.
Okay. Rosalind, there's
Ready?
a squat lobster
Oh yeah,
behind,
there's a squat lobster right here.
behind the sponge
Oh
there.
no, that's a brittle star.
No, I think there's...
Was there one behind it?
Yeah, there was a little pincher. Well, we can't quite see him yet. We'll see if we
But
can spot him.
in the deep sea, they tend to be detritivores, so they eat detritus, whether that's sort of bits of organic matter or sediment. Oh yeah, there we go.
There's the squat lobster right there. Nice.
This one's got really long arms.
Cool.
So he looks like a lobster, but with a short back end.
Yes, I actually, these type of squat lobsters, I'm not sure what they eat. The monodopsid, the white ones that we normally see, they eat detritus and
which is stuff that's falling down from the upper ocean to the deep ocean.
These ones I'm not sure. They've got very long pincers.
Yeah. And did you want to get a better look at those?
I mean, we got a reasonable look. I don't know.
Nice.
It's got really
a little shrimp down there.
These catch stuff from the water column, and all of these little extensions here on their arms, they feel really sticky if you touch them, like a
I'm gonna come back out.
Plant, almost.
Boy, everybody's living on everybody down here.
Yeah.
It looks like everybody wants to get off the bottom to grab things floating by in the water.
At some point, I'm just going to get yanked.
Oh, so pretty.
I was going to say, are you tugging on Atlanta?
This is
quite
like
a bit at Atlanta.
No, you can see the
Grand
tethers
Canyon.
loose. It's
Yeah.
just
Gotcha.
the ship's moving,
Beautiful.
but Atlanta is not moving at the moment. It's
Oh.
just not going.
She's like, no thanks. It's too early for this.
Yeah.
It is.
Oh, there's a different coral again.
Wow.
Whatever that branch. Oh, and a
Oh,
really big purple one.
Yeah.
Couple purple ones.
Yeah, a bunch of them.
Do we have dynamic positioning back Yeah.
too.
Do we want to try to sample?
Oh,
I don't know.
Do we have DP?
I'm
Yeah,
not sure what's
apparently,
there.
yes.
Awesome.
Can't quite see.
These aren't the species that we were targeting, but I think that they just wanted
Just more.
more representative coral samples.
Mm-hmm.
And I see several colonies of that purple one, so I don't feel...
Is that an anemone here?
Oh, yeah.
Maybe.
There's
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
so. I think we just need a little bit more coral sampling in general. And because there are so many colonies of that purple one, it might...
Oh, and some more of the barnacles.
Yeah.
Oh, is that what that is? Oh.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's a difficult sample for you, though.
Oh, that's what that is, too, huh?
Yeah.
Hang on, I'm going to turn
Wait,
nav on. Yeah.
Oh.
It is beautiful.
We're in canyon
Yeah.
lands.
Are we done moving for a little bit then? Okay, hopefully I don't all of a sudden like boing at some point. Like,
The sound effects up front this morning are fantastic.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, Ben, were you talking? I don't think we could hear you.
Yeah, he's up.
We miss you.
Neither was I.
There we go.
Hi, friend.
Hi. Yeah, this one I can get, I think, with minimal problems. But maybe I can do this one too. Let's see if I put my porch down on it. There's not much. I'll probably hurt that little sponge, unfortunately, but...
I mean, are we, so is it like we'll take a piece of it?
If you want a piece of the purple, yeah, I
Yeah.
can do a piece.
I mean,
Yeah.
if we could get a piece that had the brittle star on it as well, but
Oh,
Don't-
now you're setting a challenge.
Yeah.
don't like, you know, that would
Damage
only
the whole
be-
thing,
Yeah, only if it was like,
I feel like you'd have to take quite a bit because
no, yeah, so only if there was
low.
one like on the edge, but if it's in the middle, then obviously don't.
Okay. I might be able to take the brittle star out of it.
Cool.
Oh.
Wow.
If that
Wow.
would work. I mean,
That,
This topography from the Atalanta camera is just insane.
oh yeah, that's really cool.
Mm-hmm. And it's very different, isn't it?
Yeah.
All this layering.
especially this little like this little altar thing that's sticking up here in the
Yeah.
little
It does look like we're
line
somewhere in
king.
Utah, except
Yeah.
everything's black.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's crazy. It's Mordor.
There's another one of those Brisingid starfish hiding under that
yeah.
ledge.
All right. Let's give me a little delta, Sarah. Let's see if we.
Okay.
Let's see how we.
Oh, there's a
let's
little
sit down.
crab
Oh, yeah.
there. Or,
Yeah.
yeah, that is a crab.
Oh, where?
It's hiding now.
Right behind the
It's
coral
behind
here.
this coral.
Cool.
So is this the same starfish as ones
I
occupying
think
there?
so.
So we
Might
could
be moving.
snag him, or
Yeah, see, there's
You
the
just turn
crab.
on more lights.
Yes, I did.
Yeah,
Cool.
it's crawling around.
I looked away for a second. I was like, wait, did something adjust? That was not one of those moments where my face was close. I just wanted to make sure I wasn't.
Let's see.
But yes, yeah. So that one that was loose, that might be a better one to get.
I'll try not
So
to.
it would be worth getting one just because they're clearly really abundant here.
One of the purple.
The
Oh. Mm-hmm.
brittle sus.
Mm-hmm.
But there was one loose on the rock.
Oh.
Actually,
Yeah.
shoot. Starboard.
There's clearly some like encrusting sponges as well.
so that's a different one.
That's
huh?
a different coral too.
Where were you pointing to the sponges?
Sort of here.
Oh, I see. Yeah. Hmm.
There's probably all kinds of small encrusting animals that
Give
we
me a
can't
little more
really
delta.
see.
Like come down to 10.
It's so vivid.
okay, I'm just watching the tethers
Oh,
getting real close, so
crap.
I can't really give you too much more, especially as
now,
we're
yeah,
going
it's
down.
like now Atalanta doesn't want to go away. It's great. It's my luck. Oh, come on.
Actually, no, I
So we
can
have
see
quite
on
a bit
the
up and
this
over.
camera
Yeah.
all the stuff hanging
All right, we're
underneath,
just gonna
which
hang
is
out for
really
a second
cool.
and watch this.
If you guys can see this.
So we get yo-yoed for a second, see how it pulls
You
me.
can see the,
Oh, wow.
on this camera angle I've got, you can see the bracingid under there and these little bryozoans maybe?
Oh, that's fantastic. That's super cool.
Okay.
Go. Oh, that's the
Also, just want to say a shout out and a thank you to Todd. It was just a question that had come up in my mind and several colleagues had asked me, so it was just a thank you.
Yeah.
An investigation.
This tether's getting a little too close.
Are you feeling
I think I'm
guilty?
starting
Okay.
to
Well, I
move.
didn't realize
Okay,
it was
come up.
bossy.
You were just really
Just do what you need.
enthusiastic
Very
Yeah.
enthusiastic.
Just going
about
slow
helping,
and hopefully it
connecting
won't-
with him.
Just enough to.
I was just like, oh, he
Kinda
might be able
clear
to
it.
help.
Okay, sounds good.
It's all good.
Okay, stop there. For now.
You're just very
Ship's
excited.
doing okay?
Ship's doing
Yep.
okay. There was some wood in here, which I'm not on. But
It's so beautiful. I've never seen a coral this purple.
All right, Aaron, can you give me just a little zoom?
Yep.
How
Oh.
much do you need? Oh, Chris, there we go.
Zoom out.
Yeah.
Yep.
It looks like maybe that corner that's close. Yeah, I'll wait until we resettle. If this spot's too hard too, we're still at the first waypoint, so.
We're not even there,
We're not-
actually.
we're so
Yeah,
far.
We're like-
okay, we're pretty far. Yeah. The ship is at the first waypoint.
Yes. Okay, now I
Yeah,
have
come
to
on up.
come up.
I'm going to give it a little more.
All right, that should be okay. A little bit there.
Oh, come on, man. What are you doing?
Yeah. Atalanta slowly swinging now.
yeah,
All right, how much of the coral do you want?
Let's just take
pretty,
a couple.
pretty
Yeah,
small.
a branch.
yeah.
Yeah.
A branch, okay.
Or
And where do you
two.
want it to go?
We can put it in any of the bio boxes. Or yeah, any of the bio boxes works.
Okay.
Wherever's easy for you.
Zoom back in.
No, not yet.
Okay.
It looks like on that side, kind of where your arm's positioned, there is a brittle sea star in it.
Okay, go ahead and zoom.
I think that it looks like it might be
Happy
pretty.
there?
Yeah, just go for the coral first.
Yeah,
Okay.
go for the coral. It's fine.
We'll do with the work on the sea
Because that
star
one
later.
actually is big and it's really entangled,
Oh,
so
yeah, yeah.
you wouldn't be able to get it without taking the whole coral.
Right.
All right, coming back down a little bit. I've cleared the tether, kind of looped over it, so.
Try and thread it a little bit. Oh, man. Let's see. Maybe I can...
Wow.
You can see it's retracted all its polyps
Uh-huh.
on that side.
Yeah.
Brittle stars just hanging out.
come back at it. Try not to take too much. Oh, right in the hole, of course.
Yeah.
Okay.
Looks pretty sturdy.
Yeah.
I think if you needed to take more than one branch, that would be
Fine.
fine. There's
Yeah.
clearly quite a lot of them around here.
I agree. We're already halfway through our shift.
I know, I don't want this one to end.
I know. Yay!
Ooh,
Oh,
nice.
well
there we go.
done.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
With the turn. That's
Would
so
you
cool.
like the
flourish
forward,
at the end.
Yeah.
forward box or starboard? Which would you prefer?
Let's do starboard, I guess, because
Okay.
it's nice and open. I can
All
make it work.
right. Yes. All right, opening. There we go. And then got your other camera up for the...
Well, no. Okay, and let's see.
Oops.
Is A-okay?
Yeah.
It's great.
A-okay.
Sample
That was good.
072 going in BioBox A.
Did you want to try to get a
Yeah,
brittle
while
star
we were
too?
here to the left a bit, there looked like there was one of the brittle stars, but on the move between different corals. So it was just on the rocks. So if we could try and get that, that would be great, because we can get it without hurting the corals.
Okay.
It looked like it was just sort of off to the left that way.
I have to move the vehicle though, or
yeah.
No,
I think...
Can we?
I don't...
I
It's up
think
I
there
think
you'd
you'd
somewhere.
have to move. I think you'd have
yeah,
to move.
if it's not on the coral, there's
Okay.
I don't
Yep.
see one.
Okay. Let me
Are we all the way
close
zoomed
the
out?
Yep.
starboard box while we get adjusted.
Confirming that one in BioBox A.
It did.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay.
Actually, this sponge here wraps all the way round underneath.
Oh yeah.
We can see on the other camera.
Porch real quick.
Oh, he was a ways away.
I mean, yeah,
wasn't
they
he?
can, but they can be pretty quick, so it might have. Oh, there we
he
go.
is. That's the one we were looking at.
That one looks tricky.
Oh yeah.
But he's not entangled on anything. There's a squat lobster, but we're going for the brittle star.
Let's see. Yeah, okay. The only way I can get that is to, I have to get some of the, I'll probably crunch some of these little white ones. Is that okay?
Yeah. I guess.
There's that little white one
Yeah.
with the brittle star on it.
Yeah, why don't we
Oh.
just get that?
Oh, yeah.
Because then we can get one of the corals as well.
Yeah, good idea.
Okay.
And there's loads of those little white ones.
And then you can put the porch against this thing. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Thank you.
Let's see if we can figure it out.
All right, then I'll come down a little bit now.
What's that little red
Back
guy?
down.
I'm not sure. Need to have a bit of a closer look, I think.
Anemone?
I'll wait for them to,
Yeah.
then maybe we can get a zoom before we pick it up.
Oh, come on.
Just look up at something real quick. Okay.
How's our tether doing?
That's what I was just coming up for, because it is bobbing up above me.
Okay.
So hopefully I
I'm
can
gonna
still...
increase gain here. Let's see if I got